What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge and we're gonna go get some dinner at Jiko. We're gonna let you know, is this place worth your time, worth your money? It's kind of expensive, so stick around and find out if it's worth the price.
All right, so have you ever looked at Jiko on Disney's dining list and thought, is this really worth the price? Or is this too fancy for my family? Today, we're answering that exact question. We're reviewing Jiko, the cooking place, located at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we're breaking down the food, the atmosphere, the value, and whether this signature restaurant is actually worth booking on your next Walt Disney World trip. Jiko is located inside Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. Even if you're not staying here, this restaurant is worth the trip alone. The lobby is stunning. The theming is immersive, and overall the vibe immediately feels different from most Disney dining locations. This isn't a park restaurant. This feels like a destination.
All right, so we're here in Jiko, Animal Kingdom Lodge. Rudenson wanted African food, they stated. And then when we get here, they're concerned about the menu. So we're going for it. We're going wild boar to start. I got some short ribs coming later. Rude got some seafood, tangine, Sin got the filet. So far, first impressions, very nice restaurant. Robust wine selection. $900 bottle if you need it. So, yeah, this is it. We're here. Jiko. Stick around. Find out if it's worth your money and your time.
Jiko blends African, Mediterranean, and Indian-inspired flavors with modern upscale presentation. Inside, the restaurant is warm, dimly lit, and full of rich textures and art inspired by African cultures. It feels relaxed but refined, not stuffy, not uncomfortable. One thing I really appreciate is that it feels adult-friendly without being adult-only. Families are welcome, but the space naturally encourages a calmer, slower dining experience. This is a great option if you're celebrating something special or just want a break from the theme park chaos.
All right, giraffe bread just hit the table. Aptly named, as you can see, it does look like a giraffe, right? It looks like Garbanzo, who we were introduced to earlier. All right, dig in, Rude. Sin, go nuts. This butter, they said, is kind of cream cheesy with a black sea salt on top, so we'll see how that goes. Is it giving cream cheese?
A little bit.
All right, so far so good. Giraffe bread is delicious, with and without the butter. Rude is questioning, is this butter made from goat milk? Let us know down in the comments if it is or not. We have no idea. Rude, thoughts on the bread?
Finally some good bread in Florida.
All right, so the wine flight has arrived. We got a field blend, which is a blend of whites. We got some Syrah, and we got a Cabernet. You guys think this will last me through the whole meal, or? 35 bucks for the wine. And I gotta be extra.
Let's talk about the food because this is where Jiko really shines. The menu focuses heavy on wood-fired cooking, bold spices, and high-quality ingredients. You'll find a mix of sustainably sourced seafood, filet mignon and other premium cuts, creative sauces and spice blends that you won't find anywhere else on property. And every dish is thoughtfully plated and feels intentional, not rushed or mass-produced. This isn't a place where flavors are toned down. Jiko leans into seasoning and depth, but it's balanced and not overwhelming. If you enjoy trying new flavors but still want something familiar enough to feel comfortable, Jiko hits that sweet spot.
Pretty good. Pretty tender. It's giving steak vibes. It's not really tasting like a pork tenderloin, more like steak. So they said this underneath was like some grits. Grits are good. I don't know what this thing is. Goddamn clover.
Is it like a pork rind?
Might be a chicharrone. That's not bad.
You eat the meat? Not yet. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm definitely not going big piece.
It doesn't taste like gamey or anything, thankfully. Tastes legit like steak.
The whole thing is good. It's made of the grits. I'm not sure what I was getting into with the boar. Boar is good. I won't ever eat it again at home. Definitely not at home.
Go to the grocery aisle. Pick up a
So
boar.
why is that?
Appetizers have been demolished. Wild boar, surprisingly good. Scallop, buttery delicious. Star of the show, in my opinion. Pork belly. Bomb. Melt in your mouth. Star of your show?
What?
The boar?
Pretty surprising. Tastes like how you get steak.
Star Roots. Really? And you guys were anti-boar.
Yeah, I don't like the idea.
I don't love the idea either.
Happened.
R.I.P. to Pumbaa.
Jiko is also known for having one of the best wine programs at Walt Disney World with a strong focus on South African wines. Even if you're not a wine expert, the staff is incredibly knowledgeable and great at guiding you towards something that pairs well with your meal. If you enjoy wine or cocktails with dinner, then this is a huge plus. Service at Jiko is polished but friendly. Servers take time to explain the menu, offer recommendations, and answer questions without making the experience feel intimidating. It feels like a true signature dining experience where you're encouraged to slow down and enjoy the moment.
So our server just informed us that the butter that accompanies the bread is called Bayo butter. Bayo being the tree of life tree that you see on the safari at Animal Kingdom. And I guess apparently it bears fruit. And what they do is when that fruit falls off the tree, they ground it up into a powder, mix it in with some butter, and it gives it a real bitter taste, but a good bitter. It's delicious. They make a vinaigrette out of it too. Bayo. All right, so entree course is over with. Pork ribs fell off of the bone that didn't exist. Literally just used a fork to eat it. Sin asked me if I would eat here again. 1,000%. I'd get that pork belly and scallop again and again. Short ribs again and again. Dessert? We'll find out. Soon to come. I think Rude and Sin want to reserve judgment maybe until we get out of here. But, yeah. So far, so good. Now all I need is a Remy Martin, Louis the 13th, coming right out. All right, guys, so we're back in the room. Just finished up dinner at Jiko's. Had the short ribs, had the boar, had the scallops with the pork belly, and had 3 different desserts that I don't remember exactly how to pronounce. But everything, for my estimation, was delicious. 3 people, 2 appetizers, 3 entrees, 3 desserts, cup of coffee, came out to $370.
$306.
But we had a $70 tip.
Yeah.
$306 plus a $70 tip. So $306 was the total. with a $25 annual pass discount. So do the math on that. Long story short, that's what it cost. Food was delicious. It was a nicely decorated restaurant, heavy on the wine vibes. So the cook is a sommelier, chef is a sommelier. So each entree had a wine pairing associated with it. There was a couple pricey bottles of wine that we did not get. I went with the wine flight, which was a white, a Shiraz, and a Cabernet. They were all tasty. Food was tasty. Service was great. Server answered every ridiculous question I asked, even about sugar in a raw, which came out in cubes, which that was new to me. So literally every question I had. There was questions about the dessert. You know, one of the desserts was a bird, little chocolate bird with on top of a nest. So the bird represented prosperity, I believe, and the nest was made out of phyllo mixed with sugar, whatever, right? I was just like, what is this? So yeah, if I had to tell you whether or not to go, you know, is it worth your time? Yes, we didn't spend much time in there. The food came out relatively quickly, right? I felt like they were kind of just boom, boom, boom. Is it worth your money? It's kind of expensive, but I think the pork belly was the best thing I had all night. The boar was surprisingly good. Never had boar in my life, but that was super tasty. Tastes like some really well done, well cooked steak, not well done. And short rib literally could pull apart with a spoon. So is it worth the money? Yes, right? Is it worth your time? Yes. Would I recommend it? 100%. So with that being said, check it out. Come to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Go to Jiko. Go to Jiko. That's going to do it for this video. Like we always say at this time, make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, holla.